Okay guys, so before I show you my haul, I'm going to talk really quickly about Ibotta and Walmart and why is it that so many of us go to this one specific store to just do this shopping? Well, the answer to this is very easy. Ibotta, the biggest gallery of rebates that you can find for coupon or deal shopping or saving on groceries is at Walmart because Walmart is the biggest store. They have the most amount of merchandise. So mystery solved, that's why. So let's talk a little bit about the mechanics of this app. Okay, guys, what is the Ibotta app? What is this all about? And why are you always going to Walmart and making it rain with Ibotta? So we're going to explain a little bit about this app. So first off, in the description of this video, there's a little link with my referral code attached inside. So you don't need to type anything in. Press that. This is for new signups only. Pay attention to that. So if you already have a pre-existing account, you can't sign up twice. But sign up. Use that link. You'll have to go to the App Store, download it. And once the app is downloaded, go to a store such as Walmart in the app. Just fiddle around with it a little bit. And like right now, there's a free offer for a 2-liter of the Pepsi Zero Sugar Free. You would go to Walmart, purchase it, photograph your receipt, get this rebate, and then you would also get either a $10 or $20 bonus, depending what they're offering right now. So how fantastic is that? Now, if you do not have that freebie, possibly your first item could be this for $1.98, which are these baby waters. And you might be thinking that's a little bit out of pocket to pay without a coupon, but they have a really generous $1.50 rebate with the Ibotta app. Here it is, that you can do up to 5 times. So you can get 5 packs of these. For 48 cents each. So that is the beauty of Ibotta. It is a really easy app to use and you could start, getting stuff even without coupons, but still saving tremendously on your groceries. So for example, this is a Walmart receipt. If you look at the bottom, that squiggly line, that's what you will photograph with the app. And then immediately after, within usually 24 hours, the money will start posting to your account. It is that easy. Now you're on a little bit of a time crunch. Once you've downloaded the app, you have exactly a week to submit your first receipt to get your bonus of $10 or $20, whatever it might be this month. And then we're also going to be shopping on the same team, which is really great. So, there's a lot of, you might get really addicted with this app because it's so terrific, but you have to do it within a week to get that special bonus, which is absolutely tremendous. Now, when you hit the $20 mark, you can start opting for a PayPal payout. You can get a $20 Starbucks gift card. You can also get $20 at Walmart. So you could keep recycling your Ibotta money to get more stuff at that one specific store and get a lot of stuff for free. And that's how a lot of us do it. And we just keep rolling those Ibotta gift cards. So if you're interested, sign up, link in the description. Kimono. So this is my little haul from Walmart. I had one of those boosters, like midweek moneymaker, do 8 rebates, get back $3. So that had my attention right there. Not everything in the store was in stock, but I still made something happen. I got a lot of food items and pet items, stuff that we will be using. So you know what? I'm okay with that. So we're just going to jog through all of this, share where I got everything, and if you want to do some of these deals. And report for you guys, kind of a hot one today. It's been 70 degrees the last couple days. It just got hot all of a sudden. And hi to my mom if she's watching. I hope she's having a great day. Very blue and sunny skies out here today. Okay, so first thing we're going to talk about are these Back to the Roots. They're like little gardening kits. And I've always been interested in these and I can never find them in the store. Well, if you go to the gardening center, they're on an end cap or, with the regular gardening stuff. So these two, the Terranium and the Self-Growing Kit, they are $9.93. Ibotta has a $7 rebate back for both. So it makes it $2.93 for each. Now this guy is kind of different. If you buy this plus a little succulent or cactus, like something for $1 in the gardening center, you're given a $5 rebate and they'll pay you back in PayPal. So for me to get this rebate back, I have to go buy like a cactus or a succulent, and what's that, like $1? So I'm gonna go do that the next time I'm at Walmart, and that's extra money for me. Expensive one, which is the organic mini mushrooms. This guy is $12.94. Ibotta has $10 back, making it $2.94. Some of your accounts, you might have rebates on Fetch. Unfortunately, I just had a lavender and a tomato plant for this back to the roots. None of these qualified in concert with it. Would have been nice, but it didn't happen for me. Okay, and now we have some Centrum Vitamins. I went with this one because it was the cheapest. This guy is $6.76. We have a $4 coupon from coupons.com. No longer available, but if you printed one out, you can utilize it for this deal. You'll pay $2.76, get $3 back from Ibotta, making this free plus a 24-cent moneymaker. So this 8-pack of the Yoplait yogurt, I finally was able to go out and get it. I am not the biggest fan of yogurt, so I just froze all of it. I thought I could put it in a smoothie or maybe put it with a little bit of milk and have some sort of like elegant drink in the summertime or something like that with this. Again, not a big fan of this yogurt, so I froze it right away. And what's interesting about it is there was a couple of them that had exploded, and they had 2 of them side by side. Somebody was playing with the yogurt at my Walmart, so hey, congratulations. Who would do that? It exploded. So what I did was I pulled them out. I just threw it out, but ugh. I'm not, again, a big fan of yogurt, but to get it for free, I'm okay with that. So this guy was $3.48 on the nose. Ibotta has a rebate for $3.48, completely free item. So if you wanted to grab this 8-pack, if you have the rebate, I mean, it's completely free. And yeah, how fantastic is that? And I know that a lot of you probably love yogurt. I don't really enjoy it anymore. And this is one item with coupons, you always get it for free. And I don't know, I just became a yogurt snob. I'm not a fan of it, but I definitely can use it for cooking or something in the future. We have the super fancy Danish creamery butter. So it's a little 2-pack of this butter. If you like steak, this is really fantastic for, you know, either doing it in the oven, a cast iron pan, or if you're doing it on a grill. This is really great butter for hot temperature grilling. And I've never tried this butter other than with coupons, but my husband likes it for steaks. So this guy is $2.98, $1 back rebate from Ibotta, making it $1.98. And again, really great for steaks and that sort of stuff. Okay, so this little deal on the strawberries, they are $2.43. I've already taken them out of the packaging to wash them. I'm that person. So Ibotta has a quarter rebate on any strawberry, so it dropped it down to $2.18. Not the worst deal, and I will definitely enjoy this fresh fruit. Okay, so now we have a Tidy Cat Natural Strong. This is a newer type of cat litter. It's with lemongrass. I'm not sure how my cats are going to enjoy that, but maybe we'll give it a shot. This guy was $12.48. We have a $2 coupon from a recent insert, so I paid $10.48 for this. Ibotta has a $4 rebate for this, and Shopkick is giving back 450 points, which is basically like $1.80. So it makes it $4.68 for this. Not the worst price. And the last little dealio that we have, this would be a lot better if I picked up a mustard and a barbecue sauce. Here's a very weird thing about Walmarts in northern Michigan. For whatever reason, Heinz barbecue sauce they don't carry some stuff which you would think they would carry at most of the stores. The ketchup, the mustard, and this weird cranch. Only things I could find. And the Kraft symbol looks very similar, like they're similar shapes, but they're different products. So the mustard was a $1.83 and this cranch was $2.98. So the total for the two is $4.81. Shopkick has 700 points back when you buy the two. So that's basically like $2.80. So it made it a final price point of 2 for $2 or $1 each. I mean, not the greatest price point, but you know, not the worst either. So definitely, I wish I could have found the barbecue sauce because it would have been a freebie. One mustard, one barbecue sauce, or one ketchup and one barbecue sauce. But this was the best that I could come up with. Guys, as I stated, for the longest time, Ibotta was giving me these like rebates of like do 20, get back $1 for like a midweek money maker or the weekend warrior. And I'm not doing that, but like if I'm doing 8 rebates for $3, I'm all about that. So after everything was said and done, I think it was about $9 for all of this stuff. So I'm okay with that. And again, it's a lot of stuff we're gonna use for our household, you know, this especially. So it's not a bad little haul. So as always, thanks for watching and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye guys.